Good evening, my friends. This is Peter here from Satoshi District TV, Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, gold, and silver. Well, actually, it's 7:25 p.m. in this day. We are streaming in the Dallas, Texas area, and I just want to give you a last heads up before the end of the day about Bitcoin. Like I told you, Bitcoin did some went down a little bit during the day, and I wanted to illustrate that with this video explaining what's happening and why this thing is okay. I know people they have a tendency to panic when a market goes down because everybody say, "Hey, this is it. I'm losing everything. My saving, my income, everything is gone. I have to sell." Well, that's not necessarily the case. And remember, with the cryptocurrencies, you can trade day or night 24/7. This is the beauty of it. But at the end of these videos, if you don't have a chance to subscribe, please subscribe. Share this video with your friends, with your coworkers, with your family, with anybody you know that are interested on cryptocurrencies. Again, at the end of the video, it would be very appreciated if you can put a thumbs up. Then I will be counted as something you like. Well, let's keep going. Actually, then, like I told you today, Bitcoin went down to something like $115,728. Which is pretty deep, if I can say, according for what we had before, because we had been, $123,000 a couple of weeks ago. Then some people, they would have said maybe, oh my God, this is it. No, this is exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for volatility. That's what we want. We need this Bitcoin to go up and down as much as possible. Why? It's because you're buying low and you're selling high. This is the secret. And then on this case here, I wanted just to let you know that actually it went down at 115,728. It was like something around like, let's see, it was like 1,700. And now, if you look at it, at 1927, like 2 or 3 hours after, later on, it's back $118,000 and two. Do you see that? It's me. We did probably a bounce back, like almost $2,000. Personally, I want to share with you my experience on this one here. I did a very small move. Again, not all of us have a 1, 2, 3 Bitcoins, because when Bitcoin is 100 and something $1,000, then for sure, not everybody had that kind of cash. I wish I can have that kind to put on it, but we know we are not putting all our eggs in the same basket. Then actually, people put like 15% on cryptos, and they can put up to 25% of their incomes. That's what I do. But again, I'm dealing with crypto since 2017. I have a smaller experience, if I can say. Then I'm a little bit more confident to do that. But when you're starting, you will probably not do that. You probably take 1, 2, 3, 5% and make a try. Because again, remember, never invest something you may not lose. It means if you cannot afford to lose $500, don't invest $500 in Bitcoins, in cryptocurrencies, okay? Because this is extremely volatile. It means it goes up and it goes down. It means don't take your money from your rent and put it on this and say, hey, you know what, in 2, 3 days, I'll be able to pay my rent with it because I will make a profit and add up the maybe electrical bills. Don't do that. Take the money you own, sound and clear. What I advise you, again, take it from your saving account. Take the overflow from your checking account. Don't keep $10,000 on your checking account. I saw people do that. I did. I see people, they're making $50,000, $75,000 on the checking account. What do you do with $75,000 on your checking account? At least putting on a high yield saving account and not checking, right? Then, but anyway, on this case here, I did approximately a trade. I did the trade very small, 0.005. It's not even 1% of a Bitcoin. And the value of this trade was approximately $580. Then it cost me like 90 cents to do that. You see, it's not expensive to move and to trade Bitcoins at my level. Some people, they will pay less. Some people, they will pay a little bit more, but that will depend of how do you do and what's your level of every 30 days, what your movement. It's not what do you have, it's what the movement. It's mean if you're moving $10,000 per transactions, rapidly you make $1 million. If you do that 100 times, it will be $1 million. Not what do you have, but $1 million of movement in and out, buying, selling, okay? Then here, on this case here, I did 0.005, and it cost me, let me see, I can tell you exactly from the portfolio here. I check my orders because you can do that definitely. It's very simple. And then I place this order, okay? I place this order at 14:41, 2 p.m. roughly, 3 p.m. And then I purchased it for $581.97. It cost me exactly 87 cents as a fee, okay? Then the total cost me $582.84. Let's round at 583. If today, at this moment here, I want to sell that at the limit price, it means basically here, I want to sell the same amount here, right, as today at the bid price, then we're getting here 0.005. Then if I'm selling it right now, I'm collecting $591. The selling fees is 89 cents. It's roughly, that cost me roughly $1.80, $1.90 cost. Now, between 591 and what we had here, which was 583, right? We're talking about $8. You can tell me, hey, $8, man, that's nothing. I know $8 is not that much, but again, this is just a very fractional of $120,000 average Bitcoin. It's a fraction, like a $500. I make $8. Then, if I decided not to do 0.005, I just try to do 0.001, I would have doubled that, like $16 profit. Now, imagine if I go 10 times, I would have made $80. $80 here for one transactions, right? In what? 2, 3, 4 hours? $80. Just one transaction. And this, in the comfort of your bed, if you're sleeping, in the comfort of your chair, in the comfort of your desk, anything like that. In the corner of your kitchen, if you want, cooking your meal for the night, for the family, for the children, or whatsoever you want to do. It's easy. You can even run. You can do some sport. You can go grocery shopping and do that because it's on your phone. Everybody have an app today, and you can just upload the app on your phone. Then, my point is, it's very easy to do those transactions. Now, I get it. It's not something simple when you don't know. And I know many people, they're telling me all the time, I do not trade what I don't know. I get it. Better said, I don't trade what I don't understand. Well, it's a commodity. The same way you go to a grocery shopping and you buy a gallon of milk, it costs you $3. Then the same way you're buying a Bitcoin, so the same way you're buying an ounce of gold, or the same way you're trading Apple, Amazon, or any kind of shares you want to buy trading on the different way. Now, the difference with buying Amazon and Apples, you need to wait. It's between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. This one here, 24/7, all the time, no days off, every day, every night. You wake up, you want to trade, you do it. You want to travel, you can do it anytime, anywhere, whatsoever you want. You just need internet. That's it. Then you see here the powerful ways you can do business easily. $80. It's not that much, but still, it's money. It's like a $5,000 investment if you have 5,000. Many people, I know some people, they don't have 5,000 in a bank account today, but many of us do. I'm telling you, I know people, many people, they have thousand and thousand and thousand on their checking account, sleeping, nothing. They don't get a dime from it. Then, again, if you need more, if this video is somehow talking to you and say, hey, maybe he's right, maybe we can do something. Again, I'm here for that. That's my goal here in this community, to help you, to help maximum as I can, to give you advices, I give you tips, and helping you to jump in on this fantastic future, which is cryptocurrencies. Trust me, cryptos go nowhere. They will not disappear. It's not a bull like people can say, you know, it's a bull and you can go up and down and stuff. No, it's not. It's up and down, that's true. But I think cryptos that are here for a while. The same way like you're dealing with gold and silver. We used to purchase easily silver coins. Coins was made in silver in America, quarters, for example, dimes. The same way like you used to have, you know, we used to have the gold coins. Well, we're on the way. Here in Texas, they passed a law, and the law said you can deal with currencies now with gold and silver. It means you can buy, you can purchase with gold and silver. It means that's something. Cryptos, gold, silver, all those kind of trend, they are good. If you have any question, any comment, don't hesitate. Check the link below. Email me, text me, try to find me somehow, somewhere through these videos and YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic place to trade. It's a fantastic place to talk about business. And this technology is the future. The same way people, they was discovering internet, they was discovering YouTube, and even cell phone as today. Did you remember the flip phone we had? My God, who can imagine we'll have what we have now, the smartphone? Everything we're doing is on the phone. It means this is very powerful. Anyway, my friends, thank you very much. Subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. Like the video, put a thumb up, share the videos, and if you have any questions, comment, let me know. See you soon. Have a good night.